Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is my Bianchi bicycle that I'm anticipating doing some cosmetic restoration. As you can see over here, I've got some new tires. Uh, I've done quite a bit of paint, but in this particular video, I'm gonna narrow down to the cosmetic side of the bike, and that's the bar tape. I just wanted to show you over here what I had done with the bar tape in order to preserve the vintage look. What I had done, I have used this very nice vintage looking bar tape from the ebay.com, and I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon as well. But I just wanted to focus this video and narrow down and show you my work that I had done and how you guys can do this as well, and the outcome of the bar tape, how it came out. And I just want to focus a little bit over here and show you how this came out. I think I've done exceptionally well on it. And over here, what I had done, I used these Japanese made, because this is a Japanese made Bianchi. These plugs. There you go, hope it's focusing. Really nice touch. Now here is the part where things get a little tricky. I ran out of tape over here a little bit, and these hoods don't quite match. So I'm looking on fixing this part right here a little bit in order to complete that look. And I just want to show you over here like this, how this came out. Very, very happy with the outcome. I'm gonna just take you across over here, and so you guys can see this side as well. Now over here, I also kept my vintage computer, bike speedometer, or I should say the bike computer from the 80s. So what I had done, I wanted to preserve that vintage look, and I basically kept it right there. And I'm gonna just continue and show you how this other side came out. Let's get this guy to focus. So as you can see, spectacular results that I achieved. And then here we go. Very, very happy with the outcome, yeah. So I wanted to narrow down this video over here. Again, I'm using the Sakai custom Japanese handlebar. Yeah, there you go. Pretty decent Japanese stuff over here. And I'm also using the custom stem. So that's pretty decent stuff over there. And that's about it. So I hope you guys found this useful. And I just wanted to give you some ideas how you guys can preserve your bar tape to look just when the bike came out brand new. And if you can find this useful, I would appreciate if you leave a thumbs up and a comment to the video. And there you go. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.